From upstairs, can you come to me if you're the angry spirit? It's doing the same stuff, isn't it?
But that doesn't mean anything, eh? Anyone can do that, can't they?
Yeah, but it's the way he's doing it, I think.
Yeah.
I think it's a spirit from upstairs. If you follow this down, come to me if you follow this down.